कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल और ये क्लास 12 कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है चैप्टर फर्स्ट, नेचर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। सो लेट्स गो। तो हमारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक है दैट इज़ मैनेजमेंट। So let's talk about management. That what is management? Management is getting things done with the aim of achieving goal. That is organizational goal. Means whenever it is a process that aims at getting things done with the aim of achieving its goal. Management is intangible. It is a process and can be applied anywhere, not only in organization as well as in other fields also. Now let's talk about management. So management is very essential for all organization, whether it is big, small, non-profit, serviceable or manufacturing. Now it has series of interrelated function, that are 5 function, that is P, O, S, D and C: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So manager of management have to plan the objective of the firm, keeping in mind that what the work should be done, how should be done, and in which time limit is to be done and by whom. Now as we read that management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goal effectively and efficiently. It comprises of 3 terms. First is process. Now what is process? Process is refers to series of sequence of step. Management is a process. How it is a process? Because it consists of series of function that we read: P, O, S, D, C, 5 function getting things done. These are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, that we will detail study in next chapter. Second is effectiveness. Effectiveness is concerned with doing right task, completing activities and achieving the goal. In other words, it is concerned with end result. Being effective means working effectively and finishing the task in given time. Third is efficiency. Efficiency refers to task in the right way. Means when we are doing some task, it should be done in right way with minimum cost and optimized utilization of resources. For every organization, there should be a management which helps to deduct cost and utilize resources very optimally. So when there is reduction in cost, it leads to higher profit, and that management is called effective and efficient also. Now let's talk about the characteristics and features of management. So first feature is management is goal oriented process. Means every management has its aim at achieving organizational objectives. The function of activities of management leads to achievement of organizational objective or its goal. So managerial function aims toward only goal. That is the foremost objective of every management. Second is management is pervasive. Means it is pervasive in nature. It can be applied at all level in all types of organization, whether it is big, small, manufacturing, serviceable, profitable, non-profitable, etc. Second is management is multi-dimensional. So the first multi-dimensional quality is management of work. It is concerned with planning, organizing and controlling, because management of work are set up to perform some task and goal and aim at achieving that goal. When these tasks get completed, new tasks are begun. For example, work to be accomplished in school providing education. In hospital, there is treatment of patient. In industry, there is manufacturing of some products, etc. Now, management of people. Here, people refers to human resources that are the very important assets of every organization, because people are only there who set the goals, task, and make their management effective. So there is two dimension of their people. First is taking care of employee individual needs, that is their psychological and personal needs. Second, there is taking care of group of people, means this group of people who are divided according to their work effective and efficiency. Third is management of operation. Here operation refers to production cycle, means in production cycle first there is buying of inputs, then converting that inputs into finished good or semi finished good, then after it there is selling of that products. So it refers to deciding firstly what work has to be done, second how is, is it has to be done, and third who will do it. So let's move on some graphics. So here I taught that management of work is concerned with planning, organizing and controlling. Management of people are concerned with only staffing and directing, and management of operation are concerned with production, then sales, and then purchases. Fourth characteristics is very important, that it is a continuous process. Management is never ending process, because if management will get end, the whole organization will end, because we taught the five function: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. These all aid achieving the organizational goal. When they are completed, organizational is said to be end. Fifth one is management is a group activity. Group activity refers to group of people. So group of people that are involved in management activities are divided into their performance, their efficiency and effectiveness. They are grouped under various departments of organization. So they are refers to group effort, not individual effort. Now, management is dynamic function, means it aims at achieving goal, but according to the environment taking changing taking changes. So like external environment like social, economical, technical, political, etc., and internal like changing policies, rules, regulation, etc. So it is very dynamic function. It can be changed according to the changing takes place in environment. Intangible management is intangible. It can't be touched, physically seen, etc., but it can be present, can be felt, means its presence can be felt. We can feel it but cannot touch it. So hope it guys you understand the topic. Next part में हम अगले